Hello and welcome back to the Impression Wiz channel. I'm your host, the Impression Wiz. Now today I thought I'd do an actual voice impression tutorial, and not basically oh, you gotta practice and whatnot. I'm actually going to get into how to do a specific voice as much as I can. I may not be the best, but I thought I'd at least attempt this. And why not start with one of the voices I'm actually one of my best? And that would be Mario. Hello, it's me, Mario. Woohoo! Now, how to do that? Well, how to explain it? The first thing I do personally is it's a higher pitch in your voice. So it's a bit up here in this pitch. Or actually a bit higher, but that's just pitch alone. And if you don't know any musical terms, pitch is basically like your voice is either way up here or down here. It's like the tone, I guess. The pitch of your voice is where it is on a scale, let's say. I'm not the best to explain some of this stuff, so we're just going to go with it, okay? Okay. So with a higher pitch, not too high. I mean, and if you're a guy with a lower voice, you'll have to pitch it up a bit higher. And to get the true pitch, I'd listen to Mario a lot. Like in some of the other ones, watch him over and over and over and listen to him over and over and over and practice along with it. But it's a higher pitch in my range anyway. And if you're a guy with a lower voice, or even a woman with a lower voice, you'd have to go a little higher, probably. But don't go too far out of your own range either. Don't try to make it sound like it's painful, because that's not good. And if your voice is higher, go down if you need to. If your voice is higher, go down. But to kind of match his pitch is what I'm saying is the first thing. And then I guess the second thing, the second part of the accent, or of the voice, is not necessarily the accent yet, but kind of the chipper part of his voice. Hello, it's me. That's actually with the accent in there, but not higher pitch. But he's a good guy. He's a happy guy. He wants to go save the day. So kind of put that in your mindset that's pretty much how that voice is going to come out. And in a higher pitch, I'll go save the day. And then pretty much at the very end is kind of a stereotypical Italian, oh, let's go get some pizza. And actually another good voice that has that kind of the stereotypical one that if you're going to do an impression of is Italy from Hitalia. And I actually just started watching that. It's kind of funny, but both of those have kind of a similar, hey, it's me, Mario. What are you doing? Kind of a thing. It's stereotypical, so I wouldn't say that it's like the Italian accent, but stereotypical Italian accent. So, and pretty much mash those together, and you get Mario! Woohoo! I'm going to save the princess! And I guess to help with some of the stereotypical, for the Mario one anyway, is certain letters you kind of almost double, I guess. The princess! Or the P's, actually. It kind of helps to put a little bit more emphasis on P's. And adding A's in kind of somewhat random, not necessarily random, but Hello, it's a me. When like it's put a little a at the end because it gives a little bit of more of a pep. Woohoo! I'm going to get you now. It's hard to explain impressions, but I'm hoping that I'm doing okay to explain how I came to the Mario impression, and maybe it'll help you figure out how to do your own Mario impression. And further down the road, when I do more impression tutorials, I'll help with other voices, of course, but this is just kind of some of the few things for Mario in this case. I don't know if it'll help at all, but I hope it does. Yeah, but that's my Mario impression pretty much. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please put a like on that on the video. And if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe and hit that bell. Make it ring! And I will see you Wednesday.